So today we're going to the brand new Legoland Resort in Goshen, New York. The kids had no idea I was up till midnight making shirts. They think we're going to Build-A-Bear. Here's mine, Myla's, Mikey's, and Daddy's. Let's get the kids up.
So what are we doing today, guys?
Going to Build-A-Bear and going to a pool.
Going to Build-A-Bear, gonna stay at a hotel at the pool, and go swimming later? Huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Just woke up?
Now we're going for now.
You're not tired, are you? You're ready to go, aren't you?
Hotel.
Hey, you guys ready to go or what? Come on, let's go. We're leaving. Someone's gotta carry a backpack, someone's gotta carry, well, we got the new...
Well, I could carry my stuff.
Use it, the new luggage here.
I could carry my stuff.
And we got the backpack too, so all ready to go.
Can you put...
He's getting both.
Where are we going, Myla? Anybody know? Build-A-Bear!
Dave said he didn't want to go to Build-A-Bear. I said I want to go someplace else.
Uh-oh.
So, I better find some other place to go, guys. I'm sick of Build-A-Bear. We go there every single month. Lego store?
What music is this for? You know what this song's from, Myla? Ninjago. Who's your favorite?
Hi, Coach.
Jay. Who's your favorite, honey?
Sensei Wu. I know. I love that dude.
Who's your favorite, Danny?
I do like Sensei Wu. Never put off till tomorrow. It can be done today. And Jay.
Actually, my favorite is
Isn't it Cole? Garmadon.
I do like Garmadon.
I like
Nia.
Garmadon
from the movie.
Is
though.
it Nia? Yeah.
We're almost there, you bums. Could have waited in the car for 3 hours to get here to the surprise place. Yep, we're right here.
There's a mommy and...
Oh, we're going where this person is, right here.
There was a what?
Is that Legoland?
What is it?
Wait,
Legoland!
What? This way?
We got the
Where? What do you mean Legoland?
What?
I don't.
Where'd the GPS take us?
What the heck? We're lost. It's telling us to do a U-turn.
We're lost.
We're lost. See? Make a U-turn.
What is that?
Wow, look at that castle!
It's like Nexo Nights. Myla doesn't have a face on. She's just shocked.
What is...
I'm shocked.
What is going on? This is telling us we're in the wrong place, guys. Alright, hold on. I gotta get out of here. We gotta leave. Yeah, this is telling us we're in the wrong place. Trust me. This is not where we're supposed to be.
What is that?
What?
Over there.
Where are we going? Get some of them now. Look at this place.
What? I feel like I'm in a Lego right now.
Where?
Where?
Ninjago.
It just said Ninjago, I think.
Really?
Yeah, right there. See?
We're going to Ninjago, Myla?
That's the
That must be the hotel right there, I bet you.
Oh, look at the hotel room.
I'm shocked. I'm really shocked right now.
You're shocked right now? Because we're not going to Build-A-Bear.
We tricked ya.
ya.
I saw the giant Lego castle.
That's why I brought the Lego
We're going
suitcase.
there 2 times.
Well,
For 2
today,
days.
for now.
This day and then tomorrow.
And guess what, guys? We're the first people to come to Legoland, New York. We got the first
It's not even
passes.
officially,
It's not
officially
open yet. They're still working on it, and they're still doing preview. Look at this person. Look at that.
Down there.
Look,
I can go.
nothing.
This is we gotta talk
Oh
to.
wow, look at the line to get in.
Dude, is that a Lego box? A giant Lego box?
Maybe.
Do you see that, Daddy? That looks like a Lego box, doesn't it, Daddy?
Where?
There's a Lego sign way over there. And then there's
Look at all these people! And everything is awesome!
I think this is 100.
And everything is cool when you're part of a team.
There's probably 200 people in here and 100 cousins at least.
Look what Mama made ya.
Which one's mine?
Yours is the green, hers is the blue. Give his, we have Michael his.
So it's changed.
Yeah, throw it on. You want me to throw it on top of that, but it's cold. You probably want to throw it right on top.
You don't have a shirt, Jeff?
Mommy didn't make me a shirt? What the heck have I been wearing this whole time then? I've been wearing this all day.
Oh man, I'm the only one.
No, you got one. I see the pink. What do you have?
Mama's got one too.
I got the Lincoln one. And you got the happy one. Just the happy one. I got the normal.
What is your guy doing? Your guy's winking.
That's what she wanted.
You ready to go to Legoland?
Everybody's Lego. And you had glass and black glass and then
Oh, yeah.
and it kind of matches.
Does it look like me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like, and you're smiling.
And I'm smiling because I'm happy that we're at Legoland.